Hello everyone. In our previous video we had discussed the addition and subtraction separately. In this video we will discuss the addition and subtraction together. That means addition and subtraction in a single number. Look at this question. Here I have used the addition and subtraction in a single question. If we have given this type of question, what to do? There are two steps are used. First we have to add these two. After that we have to subtract from the sum of this number to another number. Okay, first step you have to add these two, from the sum you have to subtract third number. Now come to the solution of this one. So first step is write the first number and second number. I have written first number, then second number. We have to add these two, so we get a sum. How to add? We already discussed in our previous video. So that is 2 plus 4 is 6, 7 plus 0 7, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 5 10. So we have to write 0 here and 1 is carry forward to their previous digit. So 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 9 19. Again 1 is carry forward to their previous digit. So 1 plus 3 4 and 4 plus 8 12. Again 1 is carry forwarded. So 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8. So this is the required sum of these two numbers. This is the required sum of these two numbers. So now come to second step. In the second step, what to do? We have to write the sum first, and after that we have to write the another number. That is to subtract to another number. Now write the sum first, then write the second number. So this is the number to which we have to subtract, and we get a difference here. How to subtract? Let us check this one. From right side we have to start. That is 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 8 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from its previous digit. So it becomes 17 and its previous digit become 3. It become 3. So 17 minus 8 is 9, and 3 minus 4, 3 minus 5 can't subtract, so again we have to borrow from its previous digit. It is 0, so take borrow from its previous digit. So it become 13. In place of 9 it become 8. In place of 0 it become 9, and in place of 4 it become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here in place of 0 it is 9, and it become 8. Okay, so 9 minus 9 is 0, and 8 minus 3 is 5. Now come to previous digit. So 2 minus 7 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from its previous digit. So it become 12. Okay, and its previous digit become 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5, and 7 minus 7 is 7 minus 0 is 7. So this is the required difference. Okay, while you have given this type of question, that is addition and subtraction in a single number, first you have to solve the first part. From the sum you have to subtract the second part. So in this way we got the result. Now come to the word problem. Word problem is the statement form of any number, that is known as word problem. So here is the question. An industry turnover is about this much. If the expense are this, and what is the profit? Okay, we have to find the profit. Okay, while you have given word problem, okay, you have in the solution you have to write the statement of this question. So first we have to write what is given in the question. After that we have to go what we have asked in this question. Okay, so we have given this is, that is turnover of the industry, or you can say that income of the industry, or we have given another one more thing, that is expense, that is expenditure of the industry. And for the profit, their formula is income minus expenditure. We have given both the thing, so what to do? We have to subtract from income to expenditure. So here is the solution. So first write what is given here. We have given the turnover is this much, so write this one. So the turnover of the industry is 98,037 sorry 98,37,204. Second, what we have given? We have given the expense of industry, that is 6,62,509 at the expense of the industry. So this is the expense of the industry I have written here. Now come to the question. What we have asked? We have to find the profit. For the profit, we have to subtract these two. So the profit of the industry is equal to turnover minus, that is expense. Okay, so we get the this much, that is 91,74,695. This is the profit of the industry. So we have to write this one in the statement form. So thus the profit of the industry is rupees 91,74,695. Now come to how to subtract these two numbers. How to subtract these two numbers? Set the first number, then second number, and here is the difference. Okay, you have to start subtraction from right side, that is in this way you have to subtract and move towards left. How to subtract we have already discussed in our first video. Now come to second question. Mrs. Manju had jewelry worth of this much, and she spent 67,431 on repairing it. Okay, first he purchased something, that is jewelry, and after that he spent more money for the repairing of it. Then she sold it for this much money, and we have to find how much money did she loss or gain in the whole transaction. In the transaction we have to find either it is loss or gain. So similarly you have to write what you have given in this question. In all the word problem you have to write what you have given. Set the solution. First write what you have given. We have given the cost price of jewelry, that is cost price of jewelry is this much, 79,81,207. Again cost on repairing is 67,431. He spent some more money on the repairing of it, that is cost on repairing. So this is the cost price, this is also the cost price. So we have to find the total cost price. So now total cost price of the jewelry is, we have to, total means we have to find the sum of these two. First number plus second number is equal to, this is the sum. That is, if we add these two numbers, we get 80,48,638. Okay, this is the required sum, that is total cost price of the jewelry. Now move towards the, again we have given that the selling price of the jewelry. Okay, the selling price of the jewelry is this much, that is the selling price of the jewelry is 85,90,500. Now compare these two. For the profit or loss we have to compare these two, which one is greater, that is cost price or selling price. Here the selling price is greater than, here I have again written the same number, that is we know that 85 lakh is greater than 80 lakh. Okay, so selling price is greater than cost price. Here selling price is greater than cost price. If the selling price is greater than the cost price, then we can say that it is gain or profit. Okay, if the selling price is greater than cost price, then it is gain. Okay, he made a profit on whole transaction. Now come to how much he gain on the whole transaction, that is gain equal to SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. So I have subtracted these two, so I get the difference, that is gain on the whole transaction is 5,41,862. How to subtract? First you have to write this number, then write this number, and you have to subtract these two. So we get this as result. I think you all know how to subtract. Thus the gain on the whole transaction is this much, that is 5,41,862. This is the gain on hold transaction. In this way you have to solve the word problem. First you have to write what you have given. This is the given part. After that move to the question part, what you have asked. Okay, in this way you have to solve any word problem. Then is your innings. Thank you.